Welcome to the Two Counties Independent Film Festival, a celebration of cinematic storytelling across Buckinghamshire and Bedfordshire. This year, we're bringing the magic of independent film to the heart of Milton Keynes at the iconic MK Gallery. Join us in the stunning Skyroom Cinema for a boutique viewing experience that puts you at the center of the action. We are thrilled to announce our VIP speaker, Fabian Wagner, the world-renowned cinematographer behind Game of Thrones and House of the Dragon. From local shorts to international features, come and celebrate the diversity and creativity of modern cinema. Mark your calendars for August 21st through 23rd, 2026. This is your chance to connect with filmmakers and fans alike. Tickets are available now. Scan the QR code or visit the MK Gallery website to secure your spot. See you at the movies!